Hello everybody, this is Brendan with Business for Chummies. One of the easiest ways I make passive income is by using my money and lending it out for 5 to 10% interest. In this video, I'll show you how I make $100 to $200 a month with just 10 minutes of my time. One of my favorite side gigs uses the Solo Funds app. This is an app that allows me to lend money to people who need small loans. Now, this model is high risk, but also high reward. Anyone participating in this type of financial investment should review the Solo Funds terms to fully understand the risks. But in this video, I'll share with you 3 tips I use to minimize risk and late payments. Before we begin, I just want to walk you through my Solo Funds account over the last 90 days. You can see here that I have over 7% earned interest. That's not annual, that's 7% return in 90 days. That means within the last 90 days, I loaned $4,300 and received $4,600 back. Let's take a look at how Solo Funds works. Borrowers will request loans with 3 critical factors. The first is the requested amount. This is how much money you will lend to the borrower. Loans start as low as $100, but only higher rated borrowers can request larger amounts, so lower amounts typically mean much higher risk. Second is the loan duration. This is how long the borrower has to pay back the loan. Currently, all loans have a maximum duration of 15 days, but the borrower can request a shorter term loan. Most importantly is the lender tip. This is the additional amount you will receive when the loan is repaid. In this example, the tip is 3% of the loan amount, or $15. Now I'll share with you 3 very important tips to select loans with low risk and higher payout. Number 1, only consider highly rated borrowers. If you remember my loan history, it was filled with only highly rated borrowers. Solo provides a rating for borrowers up to 100. I only review loans where the borrower has a rating of 95 or higher. Number 2, only consider borrowers with no late payments. I never, ever loan money to someone who has made a late payment. I always review the borrower's loan history to ensure 2 things: that they have at least 10 successfully paid back loans, and they have never made a late payment. If someone has been delinquent on their loan, they will do it again. Tip number 3, only consider loans with 5% or higher lender tip. The goal here is to make money. Don't risk losing your money if the reward isn't high enough. I never accept a loan with a 5% lender tip or lower. I find 2 to 3 loans that meet my criteria. These loans all end within 1 to 2 days of each other, and I repeat the process once they are paid. With 2 to 3 loans at $500 each, this means I earn about $50 to $75 every 2 weeks. Of course, you can loan as much as you want and double or even triple that amount. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something and had some fun. Don't forget to subscribe to Business for Chummies for more great videos every week.